warning. If you have used SKIBIDI toilet in the last 48 hours, you are susceptible to Brainrot, an incurable disease that spreads throughout local individuals. Symptoms include increased mention of words like SKIBIDI diagnosis and attention, decreased attention span, loss of dress, couching. The exact source of this disease is unknown until it starts spreading. Avoid all SKIBIDI toilet, couch dress, and over it, and SKIBIDI on your personal devices.